I'm thankful for the NHS for saving my nan because she had a chest infection, and without her, I don't know what I'll do. I love her very much. She treats me very well, and she's a really special part of my life. So I really thank the NHS for keeping her alive.
The National Health Service is one of the most beloved institutions in the United Kingdom. For 75 years, it has been a pillar of the country's social fabric, providing free healthcare to all who need it. As we take a look back through history, we hear from some of our patients and staff at Barts Health on their experiences in the NHS.
My name is Sheila Rangia, Primati Sheila Rangia. I started here when I came to this country for the Caribbean, Trinidad, and I came in January, and in April I was 18 and I started my training the next day. So I have been 50 years in the NHS. Michelle is my daughter.
This year I'm 20 years employed in the NHS. Actually was going to do midwifery, but then she said to me, if you really want to do nursing, do adult nursing, and I haven't looked back. Yeah, Mum inspired me a lot, and I actually did voluntary at the beginning before I actually went in to do my training to see if I'd really like it, and I did. And after 20 years, I'm really happy that I stayed in the profession. My sister, we both worked in the NHS as well, in different roles, but we all together, probably in terms of years, we've done probably over 120 years together in the NHS. For the NHS, we wouldn't be here today. So, for my dad working for so long, Mum for 50 years, I'm 20 years, my sister 10 years, it's a wonderful, wonderful service.
The NHS was founded in 1948 with the aim of providing free healthcare to everyone, regardless of their ability to pay. Since then, the NHS has grown to become one of the largest and most respected healthcare systems in the world, providing care to millions of patients every year. From the first heart transplant to the world's first test tube baby born in 1978, the NHS has delivered huge medical advances that have revolutionised the way we think about healthcare. Alan Partridge, born in 1958, faced numerous healthcare challenges from an early age. Diagnosed with tetralogy of Fallot, he underwent multiple surgeries at St Bartholomew's Hospital, enduring long separations from his family. These early surgeries saved his life, and he later had 2 more open heart surgeries as an adult. Despite his health struggles, Alan pursued fulfilling careers, received accolades, and raised a family. His exceptional care from the staff at Barts Health over the last 65 years and his unwavering determination contributed to his remarkable journey.
I'm really grateful to the NHS because they've really helped my brother, and because they've given him cortisol tablets because he doesn't have enough in his system.
The NHS has undergone many changes over the years, from the introduction of new technologies and treatments to the expansion of services to meet the changing needs of the population. The past couple of years has been especially challenging for Barts Health and the NHS, as it has faced the unprecedented demands of the COVID-19 pandemic. But despite the challenges, Barts Health have continued to provide great care for their patients.
In 2019, I was diagnosed with a leaky heart valve, and I was told that by the time I was 50 that I'd need open heart surgery. NHS has been fantastic in looking after me for a very difficult time in my life. It was still at the end of COVID, the pandemic, so when we arrived we had to sign in and show COVID tests. In terms of the treatment, I was classed as urgent for open heart surgery, so from the time being told that I could need open heart surgery and being A&E at St George's, I was on the operating table 6.5 weeks later at St Bart's. NHS has saved my life, and St Bart's has saved my life.
I think the NHS is really important because some of my family members work there, and I know how much you have to dedicate your life to helping people, especially through the last few years during COVID. It's been really important, and the NHS has been really great.
The NHS has always been about people, both the patients it serves and the staff who work tirelessly to care for them. From doctors, midwives and nurses to porters and cleaners, every member of the NHS team plays a vital role in ensuring that everyone who needs medical care can get it.
Hi, I'm Surita Mahandru. I started as a medical secretary at St Andrew's Hospital in 1981. My current role is a patient pathway coordinator in gastroenterology. It's already been 42 years. There are quite a few patients that remember me by my name, even recognize my voice as soon as they speak to me.
In today's ever-evolving healthcare landscape, nurturing young students and supporting the future generations of the NHS has never been more crucial. It's not just about providing quality healthcare today, but also about ensuring a sustainable and thriving healthcare system for years to come.
My name's Stephanie Brown. I work for the Healthcare Horizons programme, which is a part of Berks Health NHS Trust. We've been a programme started around about 2018 October. We've been going for about 4 years now, and our main aim is to support our local young people into healthcare roles, either permanent roles or into healthcare degrees. The main objectives of our programme is to support the next generation of healthcare professionals. So essentially we are supporting sustainability, and providing the best patient care that we can. So this programme is going to make a massive difference and support our local communities and kind of, help them and support them into the careers that they want.
As we celebrate the 75th anniversary of the NHS, we can be proud of everything it has achieved and the positive impact it has had on the lives of millions of people. From the young to the old, from the healthy to the sick, the NHS has been a source of hope, comfort and care for all who need it. Here's to the next 75 years of the NHS and to all the dedicated and compassionate healthcare workers who make it possible. We thank you for everything that you do.